بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذين ينفقون في السراء والضراء والكاظمين الغيظ والعافين عن الناس والله يحب المحسنين ويرزقه من حيث لا يحتسب ومن يتوكل على الله فهو حسبه إن الله بالغ أمره قد جعل الله لكل شيء قدرا. God loves those who spend and give in prosperity and adversity, those who restrain their anger, those who pardon the people. God loves the doers of good. God will give to him in a way he does not expect. Whoever trusts in God, God is sufficient for him. Indeed, God has made a destiny for everything. Thank you.
Of warmth and welcome, radiating happiness and nurturing a feeling of belongingness among all of us gathered here. A true welcome is never complete with warm words and warmer gestures. With pleasure, I invite our beloved Vice Principal, Professor Ismail Khan, to deliver the welcome speech and set the tone for our College Day festivities.
A very good morning to all of you gathered here. First of all, I would like to congratulate the entire PAPT family for the grand celebration of Annual Day 2024 Spandana. Congratulations to all. Today is the happiest day because we have received our managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim sir, as one of the main dignitaries on the dais. Due to the heavy and tight schedule also, sir is arriving to the dais. Sir's support and strength to the Polytechnic is always more and more. On behalf of the entire PAPT family, a warm welcome to you, sir.
I invite Professor Ali Ashraf Kadabakar, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering, to graciously present a sapling to our Honorable Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, as a gesture of a warm welcome. Come on everybody, let's give a thunderous round of applause to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Honorable Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust. Thank you.
We have one more very important guest, that is today's chief guest, today's annual day chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, the great educationist and businessman. And sir is here as a chief guest of today's annual day. On behalf of entire PAPT family, a warm welcome to you also, sir.
I respectfully request Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, our Honorable Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust, to present a sapling to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Abdul Salam, Bolar Abdul Salam, as an expression of a warm welcome. Please join your hands for a huge round of applause, a rousing welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
We have one more important dignitary on the dais, Mr. Sharfuddin P.K., the AGM campus, PA Educational Trust, Mangaluru, and we can say that the backbone of PA Polytechnic. Welcome to you, sir.
I invite Professor Zuveria, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communications, to graciously present a sapling to Mr. Sharfuddin P.K., Assistant General Manager of Campus PA Educational Trust, as a token of a warm welcome. Join our hands for a big round of applause, a warm welcome. Thank you, sir.
With this, we have one more important dignitary on the dais, that is Mr. Harris T.D. Sir, Purchase Manager, P.A Educational Trust, Mangaluru. Welcome to you also, sir.
I invite Professor Tejashwi Martha, Head of the Department Basic Sciences, to graciously present a sapling to Mr. Aris T.D., Purchase Manager, P.A Educational Trust, as a symbol of a warm welcome. Put your hands together once again for a warm welcome to Mr. Aris T.D., Purchase Manager of P.A Educational Trust. Thank you.
With this, we have Dr. Sharmila Kumari, the Vice Principal of P.A College of Engineering, is also present on the dais as one of the dignitary to grace the annual day of today's gathering. You are welcome to this gathering, madam.
I invite Professor Ranjita, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to welcome Dr. Sharmila Kumari, esteemed Vice Principal, P.A College of Engineering, with the sapling. Come on, everybody. Please give a big round of applause to Dr. Sharmila Kumari. Thank you so much.
With this, we have one more important dignitary on the dais, Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hashim, the Dynamic Principal of P.A First Grade College. You are also welcome to this gathering, sir.
I invite Professor Deepa, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, to welcome Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hashim, esteemed Principal, P.A First Grade College, with the sapling. Put your hands together once again for a big round of applause, a rousing welcome. There goes to Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hashim, esteemed Principal. Thank you.
Dr. Salimullah Khan, the Principal of P.A College of Pharmacy, is also with us, the most and vibrant Principal of Pharmacy Institute. You are welcome to this gathering, sir.
I invite Professor Prashant S.P., Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, to welcome Dr. Salimullah Khan, esteemed Principal of P.A College of Pharmacy, with the sapling. Give a big applause, a big round of applause to Dr. Salimullah Khan. A warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Sajesh Raghunathan, the Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy, is also with us as a dignitary. You are also cordially welcome to this gathering, sir.
I request Ms. Aisha Shamima, Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to welcome Dr. Sajesh Raghunathan, esteemed Principal of PA College of Physiotherapy, with the sapling. Dear students, put your hands together for a huge round of applause. A welcome to Dr. Sajesh Raghunathan, esteemed Principal. Thank you. Thank you so much.
With this, we have one more a very important dignitary on the dais. Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, the Dean of PA Educational Trust, Mangaluru, whose support is always on us in all the angles. You are welcome to this gathering, sir.
I invite Professor Priyanka Jennifer, Department of Basic Science, to welcome Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Dean of Student Affairs, PA Educational Trust, and Director of MBA PACE, with a sapling. Thank you. A big round of applause once again to Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad. Thank you so much.
We have one more important guest on the dais. Mr. Faisal, HRD Programmer, PA Educational Trust, Mangaluru. Welcome to this gathering, sir.
I request Ms. Kavita to present a sapling to Dr. Faisal as a token of gratitude and appreciation. A warm welcome to Dr. Faisal. Put your hands together to give a rousing welcome. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much.
With this, we have Professor K.P. Sufi, the Principal of P.A Polytechnic, whose presence makes the whole annual day grand success. Welcome to you, sir.
I invite Professor Sushama, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, to welcome a beloved principal, Professor K.P. Sufi, with the sapling. My dear students, a huge round of applause. A rousing welcome goes to our beloved and dynamic principal of PA PT, Professor K.P. Sufi. Thank you, sir.
We have Muhammad Ilyas, the faculty from Civil Engineering Department, and also the sub-coordinator of today's gathering. Welcome to you, sir.
I invite Professor Vidya, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to welcome Professor Muhammad Ilyas, main coordinator of the annual day celebrations, with the sapling. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Professor Muhammad Ilyas. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would like to welcome all the HODs, faculty members, teaching and non-teaching staff of PAPT, as well as all the faculties of sister institutions. Grand welcome to all. Finally, I would like to welcome media friends, Dr. Iqbal sir and team from Physical Education Department, Mr. Sheni and team from Site Office Department, Mr. Shaji and team from Account Section, Mr. Nihaz Khan and team from HR Section, Mr. Naufal and team from Transportation Department, Campus Supervisor, Photographer, and all. Finally, welcome to all students gathered here. Welcome, welcome to all. With this, I am going to complete this welcome speech. Now kindly, one request for all gathered here, please make dua to our legend, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, to have a highest place in Jannah. Ameen, Summa Ameen. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the warm welcome. May I now request Professor Usha Kumari from Department of Basic Science to welcome our Vice Principal, Professor Ismail Khan, with the sapling. So there we have Professor Usha Kumari welcoming our beloved Vice Principal, Professor Ismail Khan, with the sapling. A big round of applause once again. Join your hands together for a big round of applause. Now it is time to reflect on the remarkable journey of P.A Polytechnic. Well, P.A Polytechnic has consistently soared to new heights, achieving excellence both in academics and sports. At the heart of our success lies the vision, the guidance, and the support of the Honorable Managing Trustee of P.A Educational Trust, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, and the dynamic leadership of our Principal, Professor K.P. Sufi. Today, P.A Polytechnic is in the forefront of empowering young minds through technical education and is the most sought after institution in coastal Karnataka.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The respected Managing Trustee of the PA Group of Institutions, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, distinguished Chief Guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, Managing Director, PA Group, Tumbe, Mr. Sharfuddin, PK AGM Campus, PAET, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal of PACE, Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hasim, Principal, PA First Grade College, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Director Center for Management Studies, Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal, PA College of Physiotherapy, Mr. Aris TD, Purchase Manager, PAET, Professor Ismail Khan, Vice Principal, PA Polytechnic, Professor Muhammad Ilyas, Main Coordinator of the Annual Day Celebration, respected members of the Management and the Governing Council, esteemed invitees, members of media, learned colleagues, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students. I have immense pleasure in placing before you the annual report of the PA Polytechnic for the academic year 23-24. PA Polytechnic was established in the year 2006 under the management of PA Educational Trust. During this academic year, PA Polytechnic has completed 18 glorious years. The alumni of our institution are spread all across the globe. The available courses, PA Polytechnic offers 5 diploma courses. All the courses are approved by the AICT in New Delhi and recognized by the government of Karnataka. Admissions. During the year 2020-24, admissions was done as per the norms of government of Karnataka. The student strength during the year 23-24 is 609. A bridge course has been specially designed for the benefit of the first year students. Staff, well qualified and experienced teaching and non-teaching staff are available in the current academic year. Library. P.A Polytechnic Library is a hub of all academic activities. Our library has 8,477 volumes with 1,403 titles. Total worth of books is rupees 18,57,529. 75 technical journals, 10 magazines and 6 dailies are also available. Scholarship. 169 students have applied in National Scholarship Portal. Staff and students' activities and achievements. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. It is my privilege and pleasure to present before you the annual report of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of P.A Polytechnic for the academic year 2024. I am extremely delighted to mention that the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering has made significant progress both in academics and extracurricular activities during the academic year 23-24. A few of many accomplishments that need a special mention here are: the students of Electrical and Electronics passed the November-December 24 semester exams with 15 distinctions, 30 first class. Many staff members achieved 100% result in the subject they handled. The department has conducted a 2 weeks induction program for first year students with the intention of introducing first year students to the curriculum of diploma education and provide detailed information about the numerous resources, amenities and support activities available within our college campus. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering organized an industrial visit to our second year students to Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation Limited, Konaje, Mangalore, to have an exposure of practical working environment. A technical talk on innovation and insights in utility engineering was organized by the Department of Electrical and Electronics on the 7th February 24 to give an insight to the students about the electrical utility in the industries. Mr. Sudarshan P. Kini, proprietor, Infinity Industrial Technical Solutions, Mangalore, was the resource person. To broaden and enrich the technical knowledge of the students, the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering conducts technical study tour every year. This academic year, all the final year students visited Mangalore Electric Supply Company Limited, Mangalore Pipe Industries, Benaka Plastcraft, Super Electrical Winders, the Kingdom Enterprise, Sri Durga Tool Rooms manufacturers of tool and die, and Karavali Switchgear. All the final year students are undergoing internship at reputed industries to strengthen their technical skills and to acquire hands-on experience in the various industrial process involved. To enhance the technical skills and to have real-time exposure to our students, an on-site visit to AK Mills, Kambalapadu, Konaje was organized. Mr. Sudarshan P. Kini, proprietor, Infinity Industrial Technical Solutions, explained the HT and LT bushing terminal connections and demonstrated the on-site transfer oil filtration process. Mr. Muhammad Swan, final electrical and electronics engineering student, has bagged the third place in Mysore division level Taekwondo Federation 23-24 held on 1st October 2023 at Mangala Stadium, Mangalore. Department of Mechanical Engineering, I am extremely happy to say that students of Mechanical Department have made tremendous academic progress during the previous semester examination. Students passed the semester examination with 22 distinction, 27 first class and 12 second class respectively. For first year students, a 2-week of induction program was conducted, inviting resource persons from the academy and industries to share their thoughts and experiences. Mr. Pramit from GTTC Mangalore had conducted seminar on applications of software used in mechanical engineering. For second and third year students, various workshop, seminar, technical talk and industrial visit program was conducted. Mr. Chetan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, PACE, had given a technical talk on advanced manufacturing process. Faculty members Mr. Sandeep and Mr. Jeevan have successfully completed their MTech with the distinction. Department of Civil Engineering, I am extremely happy to say that students of Civil Department have made tremendous academic progress during the previous semester exams. Students passed the semester examination with 12 distinctions and 13 first class results. An induction program for a duration of 2 weeks was conducted for the first year students to provide information about the campus facilities and resources available to support their academic journey. Dr. Radhika Bandari and Engineer Arun Kumar YM from Ramco Cement, Mangalore had conducted a seminar on topics earthwork, earthwork resistant structure and problematic soil and ground improvement techniques. For second and third year students, various workshops, seminar, technical talk and industrial visit program was conducted. Mr. Muhammad Hasim, Quality Control Engineer, Kanbar Daividak Precast Concrete Limited, Saudi Arabia, had given a technical talk on advanced construction techniques related to precast method of construction. Mr. Muhammad Ilyas, P faculty member, has successfully registered for PhD program. Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Computer science students have passed the November-December semester examinations with the 41 distinctions, 18 first class and 6 second class. Our students Aishat Harshana and Mavish Sheikh have been awarded first and second prize in the Quran recitation competition. Our students Fatima Anisha got a first prize in Islamic quiz competition conducted during the year of Ramzan 22-23. Computer Science Department has conducted project exhibition competition for final year students on 10th November 2023 to promote creativity and innovation among students. Many projects such as recent weather applications, home automation, mobile control door unlock, project management system, etc. were designed by the final students under the guidance of the concerned staff members. Students had participated in 2-day seminar and workshop on full stack development conducted by Mr. Harish Nirmarga and his team from Accolade Technic Solutions, Mangalore. A seminar and workshop on cyber security was conducted for 2 days by Mr. Nihal and team from iq.net, Mangalore, and 1-day seminar on artificial intelligence was organized by the subject expert Mr. Sihan from Code Lab, Mangalore. To get an exposure of IT workplace, all the final students had visited the company IQ.net Mangalore. HRD program was conducted by the resource person Mr. Muhammad Faisal and for the first year students on 7th September 2023. Department of Electronics and Communication. The students of Electronics and Communication Department have made remarkable progress both in academic and extracurricular activities during the academic year 2024. ENC students have passed the November-December semester exam with 10 distinctions, 6 first class. Many staff members achieved 100% result in the subjects they handled. The department has conducted two weeks induction program for the first year students to provide information about the diploma curriculum, different resources and facilities available in the college. An industrial visit to Milma Dairy, Wayanad was organized on second year students to provide an exposure of the practical working environment. Third year students have visited Parivartana EV, Aether Service Center and Mahindra Electric Service Center to acquire knowledge about the industrial working procedure. Miss S. Abhinaya, second year student, bagged first place in Dakshina Kannada selection Karate Championship 2023 held on 26th and 27th August 23 at Town Hall, Mangalore. She is qualified for State Level Karate Championship 23. I express my deep sense of gratitude to our management for their wholehearted support and cooperation in conducting the various department activities, and also thank all the staff members for their high level of enthusiasm, commitment and involvement in conducting various academic and extracurricular activities. Placement report of P.A Polytechnic. It is with immense pleasure that I present the placement report of P.A Polytechnic for the academic year 2024 with unwavering support, guidance and encouragement from the management. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond the completion of students' courses. We are dedicated towards ensuring the successful placement of our students, making placement process a top priority at P.A Polytechnic. Numerous renowned companies has conducted pooled campus recruitments, and a significant number of students from various disciplines have actively participated in the campus recruitment drives. The corporate companies have conducted campus recruitments are Asian Paints, Mysore, conducted pooled campus recruitment on 13th of October 23. Abdullah Muhammad Tala, Parikshit K and Muhammad Jawad from 6M Electrical Electronics have been successfully placed with a CTC of rupees 7.5 lakhs per annum. Russell, Texas, Bangalore conducted campus recruitment drive on the 17th of January 24. Darshan CP and Muhammad Sinan from 6M Electrical Electronics have been selected by Russell, Texas. Fujitech India Private Limited visited P.A Polytechnic and conducted campus recruitment on Friday, the 16th of February 2024. Rijin Raghavan, Nishant Mishra and Mahesh from 6M Electrical Electronics Engineering program, and Kirtan, Chetan, Akash Raj, Saurav Bangera and Sushant from 6M Mechanical Engineering program have been successfully selected in the recruitment drive. Ship Park Maritime Foundation, Goa visited P.A Polytechnic and conducted campus recruitment drive on the 10th of February 24. Mr. Bharat, Nishan Mishra, Muhammad Aiman, BS and Yogendra Kumar from 6M Electrical and Electronics Engineering program, and Shivadeep from Mechanical Engineering program have been successfully selected in the recruitment drive conducted by Ship Arc Maritime Foundation. Many other reputed companies like Schneider Electric, Tata Consulting Engineers, JSW Vijayanagar, Cummins India Limited, Mando Anand India Private Limited, Birla Paints and Gabriel India Private Limited have conducted online assessment tests for recruitment of our students. I extend my gratitude to the management, the placement officer, Professor Ajit Kumar Vasu, all faculty members and student placement coordinators of P.A Polytechnic for their valuable support and cooperation extended throughout the recruitment process. Give a big round of applause. Sports and games. Boys Kabaddi team participated in the Dakshin Kannada and Udupi Inter-Polytechnic Men's Mat Kabaddi tournament organized by STM Polytechnic Ujre on 6th October 23 at STM Polytechnic Ujre. Yes, Abhinay of 4th semester Electrical and Communication has secured the gold medal in the district level karate champion held at Mini Town Hall, Mangalore on 27 and 28 August 23. And she was also selected for state level competitions held at Hubli on 30th September and 1st October of 23. She won bronze medal. She has participated in national level karate championship held at Madhya Pradesh on 4th, 5th, 6th January 2024. On Republic Day celebration, the Department of Physical Education organized campus tournament. The boys volleyball team and girls throwball team of P.A Polytechnic have participated. Annual sport meet was conducted on 8 February 24 by Department of Physical Education. Various events like volleyball, football, cricket, chess, throwball and tug of war were conducted successfully. NSS report. The National Service Scheme unit of P.A Polytechnic has been functioning well by organizing many activities both for the development to the volunteers as well as the community. The program officers Mr. Sandeep and Ms. Sushma did their best with the support of all the faculty members of the college. The regular activities, awareness program and competitions were successfully conducted with the support and participation of all the NSS volunteers. The NSS unit of P.A Polytechnic organized an anti-drug and anti-ragging awareness program on 21st September 23 at Pace Auditorium. Professor Dr. Muhammad Ismail Hajmadi was the chief guest, enriching the event with the valuable insights. The NSS unit organized an Indian Constitution preamble reading program on 15 September 2023 at PAPT Amphitheatre. Professor K.P. Sufi and Professor Ismail Khan graced the event, emphasizing the importance of democratic values. The NSS unit organized a campus cleaning program on 30th September 23 at PAPT campus. The NSS unit organized a Kannada essay and allocation competition on 30th October at PAPT, celebrating Karnataka Rajyotsava. The event aimed to promote linguistic and cultural awareness. P.A Polytechnic NSS unit conducted a sandalwood plantation drive at PAPT campus, emphasizing environmental responsibility. P.A Polytechnic NSS unit celebrated National Voters Day on 25th January 24, promoting civic responsibility and voter awareness. The event themed "Nothing Like Voting, I Vote for Sure," engaged students in discussions and an oath-taking ceremony to emphasize the importance of active participation in elections. NSS unit of P.A Polytechnic is planned to have a blood donation camp on 7th of March 2024. Gratitude. We are grateful to our most beloved chairman, late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji for his excellent patronage. Sir, we remain indebted to you for all the support and the cooperation extended towards the smooth functioning of our institution for all these years. May Allah grant him highest position in Jannah. I extended my hearty thanks to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee of PAET, for his valuable guidance and unconditional support and cooperation. I express my deep sense of gratitude to all the trustees of PA Education Trust for their support and cooperation. We thank our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, Managing Director, BA Group, Tumbe, for taking time for his busy schedule and being here with us on this special occasion. Thank you, sir. I express my sincerest thanks to Mr. Sharifuddin, AGM Campus, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal of PACE, Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hasim, Principal, PA First Grade College, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, Director, Center for Management Studies, Dr. Sajesh Raghunathan, Principal, PA College of Physiotherapy, Mr. Aris TD, Purchase Manager, PAET, for being here with us on this special occasion. My hearty thanks to Professor Ismail Khan, Vice Principal, PAPT, Professor Mohammad Elias, P, Main Coordinator of today's function, HODs of various departments, Mr. Iqbal, Director of Physical Education, PAET, and Mr. Sundar, Physical Director of PA Polytechnic, Mr. Shini GR, Site Officer, and his team for the support and cooperation extended.
Aspirations, inspiring us to exceed expectations and to elevate and transform our institution as a center of educational extension of the annual report. Thank you. The moment has arrived to introduce the newsletter of PA Polytechnic, Synergy, which resonates with the vibrant spirit of a campus. Synergy carries within it the hopes and dreams of an institution, crafted through the convergence of diverse minds, ideas and inspirations. Synergy brings to light the fusion of talents and perspective within a community. I am honored to be and all the esteemed dignitaries to join in unveiling ceremony. Thank you.
So let us all join our hands on unveiling of the magazine, newsletter of PA Polytechnic. I request everyone to join your hands and give them a big round of applause.
Yes, Synergy represents the heartbeat of PAPT campus. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us. Thank you very much. As we continue to move ahead, I request Professor Ranjita, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to present an introduction of our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam.
A very good morning to one and all present on the dais of the dais, and welcome to our annual day celebration 2024. I am delighted to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, who has warmly accepted our invitation to join us in this auspicious day. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, he is an accomplished individual in the field of business and gratitude in BCom from St. Aloysius College, Mangalore in 1980. Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam is the Managing Director of the BA Group, the manufacturers of wood-based panel products, and Tumbe Holdings Private Limited. He was the former president of South India Plywood Manufacturers Manufacturers Association. He has also been the panel member of Islamic Development Bank, serving for the community for development and projects like schools, hospital, hostels and occasional courses. Sir is the trustee of Mohiddin Education Trust and chairman of Ramakrishna Tennis Club, Mangalore. Sir has a great leadership quality and innovation in the field of education and business. We are very grateful to have with us. On behalf of our PAPT family, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you, sir.
Leadership is not about a title or designation. It is about impact, influence and inspiration. May I now request our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, to share your insights and to enlighten and enrich us with your wealth of experience, knowledge and wisdom on this special occasion.
Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you all. Respected Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee of the PA Educational Trust. Guests of honor, Mr. Ahmad Kuti, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Dr. Sarfraz H. Hashim, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Principal Professor K.P. Sufi, Professor Ismail Khan, students, staff members, and all those who are gathered here today. Thank you for inviting me as the chief guest of today's function. It's a pleasure for me to be present amidst you all. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you students for being so orderly and disciplined here. Congratulations. Today is a great day for this institution as it is celebrating its annual day. This is a day which is much awaited by the students. It is a day when we can get a glimpse of the achievements as well as the talents of our students. A school is a sacred place which ignites the light of knowledge in students and provides a launching pad for a successful future. Dear students, you all are very lucky to have an opportunity to study in this institution which is known for its good infrastructural facility, experienced faculty and high quality of education. I see the smile and joy in all your faces. There is excitement in the air here. I'm sure many of you are eager to showcase your talent on this stage in front of your schoolmates and friends and teachers and the guests who have arrived for this function. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Remember that education is not just about marks or grades that you secure. Of course, they are important in many respects, but most important is about becoming a good human being, a good citizen who is sensitive to the world around him and the happenings there. Dear students, you must also learn to care for others, be compassionate and try and contribute in your own way to the society in whatever field you choose to excel in. Also, being disciplined in school and at home will go a long way in ensuring bright future for all of you. Hard work, dedication, discipline and commitment is also a must. Finally, I wish you all success and a very bright future. Thank you very much.
Our principals present here today, Professor Sarfraz, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Professor Sajish, Dr. Salimullah Khan, and yours and ours youngest principal present here, Mr. K.P. Sufi. and our dearest Professor Ismail Khan. I welcome each and every one of you to the annual day celebrations of P.A Polytechnic. It fills me with immense pleasure to stand before you today and reflect of the journey of our institutions over the past year. I have a special affection towards Polytechnic, especially because our late founder chairman, my father P.A Haji, was a diploma holder in automobile engineering, something that he would hold dear to him throughout his life. It is also a reason and one of the motivations he had to start PA Educational Trust. There is a story where he had tried for admission in NIT Surathkal way back in the day, in the 60s, where there were only 4 seats available and more than 400 applications for those 4 seats. He was not successful in getting a seat over there, which had then further led him to go to Madras and pursue his diploma in automobile engineering. PA Polytechnic over the last 18 years has leaped forward. It has changed in a magnificent manner to keep up with the challenging new times. Under the leadership of Professor Sufi, this institution has grown and grown beyond what we could have imagined. The most important thing I would like to tell you is something which our late chairman used to say. When you gain all the knowledge from here and you go out in the world, please make sure that you are an excellent human being, a person with good character, a person who has integrity and not someone who looks for shortcuts. It is important to have that character and credibility and integrity to move forward in life, because that is what will define you as a person in the future. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated faculty members, diligent staff, and our talented students for their unwavering commitment and hard work. We have achieved a remarkable milestone and made significant strides in academic excellence, innovation, and overall development. As we celebrate our accomplishments here today, let us also remember the values that define us: inclusivity, integrity, and a commitment to serving society. Let us continue to uphold these principles and as we strive for greater heights in the years to come. I express my sincere appreciation to our guests here, our alumni, our well-wishers for their continued support. Let us look into the future with optimism and determination. Together, let us continue to inspire, innovate, and be a person who serves society well. Thank you very much.
Highlighting the significance of moral values, you rightly said what ultimately defines us as a human being is integrity and our ethos and values. Thank you so much. PA Polytechnic takes immense pride in honoring and rewarding students who have excelled in academics, sports, and in various competitions held on account of College Day festivities. We feel privileged and deeply honored to have such deserving students who continuously strive to elevate PA Polytechnic up to the pinnacle of success. Now it's time to recognize and reward the wonderful achievers of PA Polytechnic. I invite Ms. Aishat Shamima to announce the list of students who have excelled in academics and extracurricular activities. Thank you.
from each department. So I request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Bola Rahmat Salam, to give away the prizes. The first prize in general proficiency for the mechanical department, first year A section. First prize goes to Ansel Elroy D'Souza. First year mechanical B section. First prize goes to Muhammad Zahim.
Request all the prize winners to be ready. A proud moment indeed for the toppers. Put your hands together. Big round of applause. Cheer your
Second prize
peers.
goes to Prajwal. Second year mechanical A section. First prize goes to Muhammad Aris Sadat. I request everyone to give them a big round of applause. Second year mechanical A section. Second prize goes to Manvit in second semester and third semester. Mechanical second year B section. First prize goes to Prasanna Kumar KR. Manvit. Second year B section. First prize goes to Prasanna Kumar. Second year mechanical B section. Prajnesh. Second year mechanical A section.
Students are requested to disembark from the left of the dais after collecting the certificates. Entry from your right and exit from the left of the dais. There's a huge round of applause to the academic toppers. Cheer up.
Final year mechanical A section. First prize goes to C.R. Aditya. I request all the prize winners to come to the dais as soon as possible. Second prize goes to Deekshit Raj.
All the winners, please line up to collect your prizes.
Final year B section. First prize goes to Tilak P. Nayak. He secured first in 4th semester and second in 5th semester. Second prize goes to Nishant K. He has secured second in 4th semester and first in 5th semester.
The prize winners kindly come forward and line up to collect your prizes. Please line up near to the stairs. The prize winners, please line up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now let me call out the names of general proficiency prize winners from the Department of Civil Engineering. So I request our Managing Trustee Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim to come forward and give away the prizes. First semester, first prize goes to Fida Mariam CM. Second prize goes to Abdullah MS. Second year, first prize goes to Muhammad Sufaid.
Give a round of applause, a proud moment for the toppers to collect the prizes from the Honorable Managing Trustee.
Second prize goes to Dishant. Third semester, second prize goes to Shafiq Ahmad Firoz. Fourth semester, first prize goes to Faraz Hussain. Second prize goes to Glenn Shelton Rodriguez. Fifth semester, first prize goes to Abdullah Unais Tabish. Second prize goes to Shranit.
Keep applauding. Never-ending memories, moments to cherish. Keep applauding.
Moving on to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. First prize goes to, in the first semester, Aisha Iman. Second prize, one more first prize, Ritesh and Shalaba. Second prize, Kishan. Second year, first prize goes to Muhammad Hasir. Second prize goes to Aishit Arshana and Dekshit. Final year, first prize goes to Akshay Kumar. Second prize goes to Abdur Rahman and Ibrahim Malouf. Thank you, sir. I request our principal, beloved principal, Professor Kefi Sufi, to give away the prizes. In the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, first semester, first prize goes to Manvit. Second prize goes to Privan D'Souza. Third semester, first prize goes to Jeevan. Second prize goes to Yajnesh RJ. Fourth semester, first prize goes to Parikshit K. Second prize goes to Manish K. Fifth semester, first prize goes to Mahesh.
A proud moment for Mahesh, Manish and Aiman to collect their prizes from the esteemed principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hashim.
Second prize goes to Abdullah Muhammad Talha. I request Bishir Muhammad Iqbal to collect the prize. Moving on to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. First year, first prize goes to Ankit. Second prize goes to Tanish Hude. Second year, first prize goes to Jagadish and Muhammad Ashik Maktoum. Final year, first prize goes to Muzammil. Second prize goes to Clive Renault Lesrado. I request all the audience to give them a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Moving on to the cultural event. Now may I request Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM PAET to give away the prizes. Firstly, we have chess competition. First prize backed by Wilson Tellis, 4th semester Mechanical Engineering. Second prize goes to Mohammad Shamas, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. In general quiz, first prize backed by Muhammad Asir and Muhammad Sahil from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering.
Yes, give a big round of applause. A proud moment for the winners to collect the prize from Mr. Sharfuddin PK, respected AGM PAET.
Second prize goes to Muhammad Ashik Maktoum and Muhammad Mufaid from 4th Sem Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Keep applauding, cheer your peers, encourage them.
In painting, first prize goes to Asmina from 4th Sem Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize Abdul Safriz, 4th Sem Electronics and Communication Engineering. In pencil sketch, first prize goes to Abdul Safriz, 4th Sem Electronics and Communication Engineering. Second prize goes to Asmina, 4th Sem Computer Science and Engineering. In face painting, first prize goes to Abdul Safriz and Dominic from Electronics and Communication Engineering. Second prize, Vikram Alva and Sean Chris D'Souza from 4th semester Electronics and Communication. Solo singing, first prize goes to Muhammad Rafil from 2nd semester Electronics and Communication Engineering and Shaizan from 4th semester Civil Engineering. Second prize goes to Mavish from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. In Mehendi competition, first prize goes to Aisha Tarshana, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize goes to Yasmin, 2nd semester Computer Science and Engineering. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Aris, Purchase Manager PAET, to give away the prizes. Calligraphy, first prize backed by Akshada from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize, Asmina from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering.
A big round of applause. Please give a big round of applause. A proud moment to collect the prizes from Mr. Aris TD, respected Purchase Manager, PA Educational Trust.
In English essay writing, first prize backed by Muhammad Shamaz, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize goes to Josephine D'Souza, 2nd Sem Computer Science and Engineering. In allocation, first prize backed by Muhammad Asir, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize goes to Muhammad Shamaz, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. In Kannada essay writing, first prize backed by Muhammad Asir, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Semester Computer Science and Engineering. In photography competition, first prize goes to Mubin YH from 4th semester Mechanical Engineering. Second prize goes to Salman Farish, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Sport choreography for girls, first prize goes to Shifana, 2nd Sem Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize Mavish, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Sport choreography boys, first prize goes to Muhammad Yasin Anwar, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize Muhammad Marzouk, 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal, PA College of Engineering, to give away the prizes. Mapila song, first prize goes to 4th Sem Electrical Engineering, Abdur Rahman Basha and team. I request all the team members to come forward and receive the prizes.
Give a big round of applause to the 4th Sem Electrical, the winners of the Mapula song competition. A proud moment to collect the prize from Dr. Sharmila Kumari, esteemed principal, vice principal of PA College of Engineering.
Second prize.
Yes, put your hands together. A big round of applause to the winners.
Second prize goes to Muhammad Asir and team from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Computer Science department has been receiving continuously awards, so give them a big round of applause. Secondly, we have group singing, and that first prize goes to Mavish and Ziad again from Computer Science Department. Second prize we have Shaizan and Afla from 4th semester Civil Engineering. Pantomime. First prize goes to 4th semester Computer Science Engineering, Asir, Sahil and Tamim. And one more first prize from 2nd semester Civil Engineering, Umar Farooq and Muhammad Razik. Second prize backed by 6th semester Civil Engineering, Abdul Rahman Mazin, Muhammad Shafiq, Yusuf Suhan, Muhammad Ibrahim Sinan and Muhammad Mazin. I request all the prize winners to come forward and receive the prizes. In group dance, first prize backed by Abdul Rahman Basha and team from 4th semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Abdul Rahman Basha, Abdul Muhiz, Muhammad Anif, Muhammad Nafi, Muhammad Faisal Zahir, Muhammad Moiddin Shaz. I request all the winners to come forward as soon as possible.
Yes, give a big round of applause to the winners.
Second prize backed by 2nd semester Mechanical Engineering, Bakir and team, Musa Farshad, Muhammad Bakir, Muhammad Mazim, Marshid, Sadiq, Abu Bakr Sharaz.
Once again, join your hands. Give a big round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal of P.A College of Pharmacy, to come forward and give away the prizes. In Technical Rangoli, first prize backed by 4th semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Second prize goes to 4th semester Electronics and Communication Engineering, Abhinaya, Jagadish and Safris. In short movie, first prize goes to 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering, Salman Farish, Nazim, Murtala, Ziyad, Marzouk, Shakir and Yasin.
Indeed a proud moment to all the winners to receive the prize from Dr. Salimullah Khan, esteemed Principal of P.A College of Pharmacy.
Second prize goes to 4th semester Mechanical Engineering and 2nd semester Civil Engineering. I request Mubin YH, Ashmit and Mas from 4th semester Mechanical Engineering and Abdur Rahman, Sabdal Ismail, Muhammad Shifan, Suhail, Irfan, Sahad, Tawheem Hassan from 2nd semester Civil Engineering to come forward. In Antakshari, first prize backed by 4th semester Civil Engineering, Muhammad Afla, Shahid Shakil Ahmad, Umar Farooq and Shibaz. Second prize from 4th semester Mechanical Engineering, Mubin and team, Mubin YH, Ashmit, Fayaz and Varun. In Dam Charades, first prize goes to 6th semester Civil Engineering, Suhan, Sinan, Nabil and Anis. Second prize goes to 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering, Asmina, Mehwish, Azmina and Afrana. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Sajeesh Raghunathan, Principal, PA Institute of Physiotherapy, to come forward and give away the prizes. Okay. First prize goes to 2nd semester Civil Engineering. I request Abdur Rahman, Gautam Shetty, Sabdal Ismail Kayur, Umar Farooq, Mohammad Shifan and Suhail to receive the prizes. Second prize backed by 4th semester Computer Science Engineering, Badisha and team, Badisha, Sahil, Tanis, Ziyad, Sharif Sultan, Tamim and Muhammad Murtala. Football, first prize goes to 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering.
Put your hands together for a big round of applause. Moments to cherish, receiving the awards from Dr. Sajeesh Raghunathan, esteemed principal of PA College of Physiotherapy. Thank you.
Second prize goes to 2nd semester Computer Science and Engineering. Football, second prize goes to 2nd semester Computer Science and Engineering, Abdul Musin, Mohammad Mislaz, Ziyad. I request all the team members to come forward. Shafiq Rahman, Irfan Ismail, Fahim, Afiz, Shaifuddin Anwar. In cricket, first prize goes to 2nd semester Mechanical Engineering B section. Musawwir Abbas Adil, Muhammad Javed, Sufed Razi, Muhammad Mazim, Sadiq, Saeed Shahid, Samir, Sahad Ahmad, Shafaf, Shahil, Shifan and Muzammil. Second prize, 2nd semester Mechanical A section, Abdul Niyaz, Muhammad Aris Sadat, Adnan Farish, Abhishek, Atif, Ahmad Fayaz K, Khalid, Sheikh Muhammad Maz, Abdullah Adnan, Anis, Tawfiq. In volleyball, boys, first prize goes to 4th semester Electronics and Communication Engineering. I request Akash and team to come forward and receive the prizes. Akash, Nihal, Taqiuddin, Junaid, Pranav, Suhail, Akshay, Shrajan and Sal. Second prize goes to 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Abdul Qadir, Askar, Mohammad Badisha, Muhammad Tanis, Muhammad Simak, Muhammad Irshad, Salman Farish and Ziyad. All the prize winners has to reach the dais as soon as possible. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, Dean PAET, to give away the prizes. We have athlete individual championship in boys. Any guessings? Yes, the award goes to Muhammad Farish from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering.
Yes, a proud moment to receive the prize from Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, Dean Student Affairs. Yes, join your hands for a big round of applause to the winners.
Athlete individual championship in girls goes to Abhinaya from 4th semester Electronics and Communication Department. In badminton doubles for boys, first prize goes to Muhammad Anzala and Badi from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize goes to Muhammad Simak and Muhammad Sihan from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Badminton doubles for girls, first prize bagged by S. Abhinaya from 4th semester Electronics and Communication and Azmina from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Second prize, Asmina from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering and Afrana from 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. There was a cricket match held between staffs and students, and the prize was won by staff, which is Arfazan team. I request Arfazan team to come forward and receive the prize. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I call Mr. Faisal, HRD department, to come forward and give away the prizes. Throwball staffs and students. And the prize was backed by staffs. I request all the prize winners to come forward and receive the prizes. Miss Aishit Shamima, Miss Vidya, Miss Akshata, Miss Nurunisa, Miss Tejasvi Martha, Miss Shilpa and Miss Nasiba.
Indeed, a proud moment to receive the prize from Mr. Faisal, Center for Human Resource and Development.
Kannada essay writing. Kannada essay writing under NSS unit. First prize goes to Muhammad Asir from 4th semester Computer Science. Muhammad Asir. Second prize goes to Deekshit Raj, 4th semester Mechanical Engineering. Deekshit Raj from 4th semester Mechanical Engineering. Kannada speech under NSS unit. First prize goes to Muhammad Asir from 4th semester Computer Science Engineering. Second prize goes to Parikshit from 6th semester Electrical and Electronics. Shuttle badminton in staffs. First prize goes to Juiria and Tejasvi Martha. Second prize goes to Akshata and Nasiba. Thank you, sir. Moving on to the last event, which is much more awaited. Any idea? Yes, the overall championship goes to? Yes, it is none other than 4th semester Computer Science and Engineering. I request our managing director, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, to come forward and give away the prize. I request CS students and staffs to come forward and receive the prize. All
Indeed,
the
a proud
semester
moment.
Students.
The champion of champions. Join your hands for a big round of applause for the champions.
I request our HOD.
A perfect moment for a photo shoot to capture brilliant pictures. Yes, there goes a huge round of applause to the champions. Esteemed chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam. So with utmost respect, I invite Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, our distinguished chief guest, to kindly step forward to receive the memento. I humbly request our Honorable Managing Trustee of P.A Educational Trust, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, to Salam by presenting a memento. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to join in honoring our guest. I request all the students to put your hands together, give a big round of applause to felicitate and honor our distinguished chief guest. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion and accepting our felicitation amidst your busy schedule. Thank you so much. We value your presence. Thank you. Complete without expressing gratitude for those who have selflessly contributed to its success. Gratitude is the most basic human emotions and the mother of all virtues. We have with us here Professor Muhammad Ilyas, coordinator of the annual day program, to deliver the word of thanks.
Invitees, colleagues and beloved students, It is with immense privilege that I extend with the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I express our heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam, for gracing us with his esteemed presence and sharing his profound knowledge and wisdom. Sir, your insights have truly enriched us, and we are deeply thankful to you.
Yes, put your hands together for a big round of applause to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Bolar Abdul Salam. Thank you, sir, for being here.
We also extend our sincere appreciation to the Honorable Managing Trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, for his unwavering patronage, wholehearted support and cooperation. Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance and contributions.
Yes, join your hands for a huge round of applause, a resounding applause to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Honorable Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust. Thank you, sir, for being here with us.
A special note of thanks is extended to Mr. Sharafuddin, AGM Campus PAET, and Mr. Haris, Director of Purchase Department, for their presence and support during this event. Our gratitude also goes to Dr. Sharmila, Vice Principal, PA College of Engineering. Special thanks to Dr. Sarfraz Hashim, Dr. Salimullah Khan, and Dr. Sajish Raghunathan, Principal of PA First Grade College, PA College of Pharmacy, and PA College of Physiotherapy, respectively, for their esteemed presence. We extend our appreciation to Dr. Syed Amin, Dean of Student Affairs at PAET, for his unwavering support. We express our deep sense of gratitude to our dynamic principal, Professor K.P. Sufi, for his valuable guidance and encouragement in organizing this event. Our sincere thanks also go to Vice Principal Professor Ismail Khan for his cooperation throughout. We acknowledge the decentralized coordination effort of all heads of department and faculty member of PAPT, which is significantly contributed to the success of the program. Also, I thanks to the Faisal HRD program coordinator. We express our deep sense of gratitude to Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director PAET, Mr. Sundara, Physical Instructor of PAPT, for their wholehearted cooperation. We are grateful to the MC Ajit Kumar Vasu and media, both print and electronic, for their excellent coverage of our program. Lastly, we thank the student coordinators and all the students of PA Polytechnic for their enthusiastic support and cooperation, which were instrumental in making this program a success. Thank you, one and all, for all contribution and presence.
Thank you, sir, for your expression of gratitude. You have touched all our hearts. Thank you. Well, to instill a sense of patriotism and to remind everyone of our nation's glory and pride, I kindly request all of us rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भाग्य विधाता जय हे